Hi, I'm Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show, and today I'm going to show you how I make this handy dandy tool that I used to just intuitively paint. This is a long metal rod, and this is the one that I used before, but the old brush that I put on here, the edge of the brush had worn off. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make another one. So I have this long metal rod that I used. It's about 2 foot, and it's real sticky on the end that I had the old brush, because when I took the duct tape off, it's still sticky. So what I did is I got another old brush, and this is not a flimsy brush. I use these stiff brushes, bristle brushes that you can just beat your canvas with if you want, whatever, and they will last a long time, even though that one did kind of bite the dust. So this is the old brush. It is about 10-12 inches, and as you can see, it's been used, it's worn down even up here. So I have quite a few of these. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to place it just maybe where the ferrule is above the edge of the tool. So I've got the ferrule here, the brush tip here, here's the metal rod. So I'm going to take this duct tape. I have duct tape ready, and I'm going to just start putting it around this area, and this really takes 2 hands. So I'm going to kind of do it against the table, and you can't see it right now, but I started it right at the edge of where the duct tape is and the metal rod. So I'm going to go around this area so I get it really good. And this is not pretty, this is just trying to get it to where it will stay. So I'm taking it around the bottom of that ferrule of that brush really good, so that holds that in place. And then I'm just taking the duct tape down. So I'm going to keep going down just a little bit at a time. If you can tell, I'm just taking it slow, a little bit at a time, squishing it so it adheres. And this may take quite a bit of duct tape the way I do it, because I'm not just doing it fast. I want it to really hold, because when I paint with this tool, it really does get gets beat up. So I'm still trying to get, and again, this is not a pretty thing to try to keep nice looking with your duct tape. It's just squishing the bubbles down, taking it down further, because we're going to take this all the way down to the end of the brush and past that point to where it will hold it in place really, really well. So as you can see, I'm kind of just twisting the brush, and it's got bubbles, that's okay. As I turn it and those bubbles get tightened inside there, they kind of go away. They become part of the whole thing. And you can see we've already made some headway here. And we're going to keep going. I want to just keep that twisting. Trying to just show you as close as I can here what I'm doing. And see, we've nearly made it to the end of the brush. We are nearly there, but we're not going to stop. We're going to continue on. And even though it's not 100% to where the duct tape stayed straight, it's okay. And my phone just turned, so I apologize for that. Whoops, We'll put it back on. You can tell I'm not a pro at videos, so we just do the best we can. Sorry. And here we go. All right, get back to it. Duct tape stuck to itself. That's okay. I'm gonna just kind of twist and keep going and take the duct tape down. And now we're really past the edge of the brush, so we're just on the metal rod. And I'm gonna take it a little bit further and finish it up here. So the brush ended, I think right there, and I took it maybe a couple of inches more, and I'm just gonna tear that duct tape off. And just wrap it around. Okay, so what we have is a non-sticky surface because we wrapped the duct tape around. Here's the edge of the brush. Sorry, my phone is wobbly jawed. I apologize, guys. Okay, here's the end. Here is the brush attached. Here's the rest of the metal rod. So I hope that helps you know how to make a simple handy dandy tool that you can hold at the end of this metal rod and just paint intuitively, and it will give you who knows what look, because you don't know, and it's okay. It's just having fun with it and using this tool as a looser, free-flowing type of having fun with paint. This is not something you would use if you had to fill in a specific circle or create something really detailed. This is just for having fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Naomi Butler Show, and also ring the notification bell to be notified of any new videos that I publish. And this is a shirt that I painted. You can see the black paint and a little end. This is just a t-shirt. I bought some t-shirts years ago and painted on them. So the next painting video will probably be this one, because I'm going to do a time-lapse video painting on these two canvases that are behind me. Now, if you notice on these painting videos, every time I do a new part to these energy paintings, I turn them upside down. So when you see one version to the next, the beginning of that version, I turned them upside down. So hopefully when you see that, that'll be fun to watch. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.